Hello everyone. In this video we are going to work more on our templates to make it look nice and organize it a little more. Um, Templates, as we saw before, are just like text files that with generated formats like HTML, like XML and everything, etc. Right? Today we're organizing our templates. As you can see in all of our files, we have like index, post, tags, category, etc. Right? Just close off that. We don't need this. Just category, post details, and tags. And as you can notice, in all of our like templates, we have like repetitive code. Like we have like the same stuff in all of them. And yeah, like this is very repetitive. Like it would be great if we can pack all of this repetitive code in one file and then just call it, right? It will be easier. Luckily, we can do that in Django, right? Django, like it will. Django gives you the ability to do that. To start, right? Let's create a template. Let's call. Oops, it's our templates. Let's create one called base.html. You can call it whatever you want, like core or like I don't know, template. I don't know. I just call it base. I don't know. Save. And then let's just copy all of these. Let's copy all of that is in our index. This is the template that we have been working more. So let's just copy that and paste it here on paste. Boom. Here we go. So now, here in our base, now let's compare all the files with the base file. So we can see like what we can keep, right? Like all of these go from here, like it's in all our files. So we need to keep that, right? Okay, let's go down. And here in our container, it's where like everything start to change, right? So we just want a block here in our container, right? Okay, good. Let's delete that. Here we're in our base, remember. Okay, now here, oops. Now here, let's create a block. You do it the same way when you are creating like for loops and functions and everything. We just click block. Let's call it content, and then let's copy that again. Paste it here and block. Good. That's fast and easy. I think for now we are good. Let's just jump to our index to start like erasing everything that is in our base HTML. Let's just go, then index, we have all of that in our index. Boom. And we have all of this in our index. I mean in our base. We don't even need the HTML tags. And we have the containers. Boom. And then we don't need these ones. Boom. That's it. Yeah. You see? It's like more organized, our index. It's just like a few lines. Now we just need to copy this block content. It has to match. It has to match with all of these ones. So just copy that. Boom. What Django basically here is doing is it just when you call like this index, we're just basically like oh, we need to do something else. We need to do we need to do like something important. We need to extend this thing from our index. And you do it like that. To go here and then here, and then you oops this and stands page HTML. Boom. You're basically saying like, hey, we're this is the same when you are like creating like classes of like hierarchies, you know? When this is like the child of the class of the parent, this is basically the parent of the template, right? Yep. Um yep. Basically Django is replacing this like whatever is inside put in here. You see? Yeah, we can do that with category too. But first, let's reload. Let's see how it's working. Boom, nothing changed. As you can see, everything is working great. Let's do the same for categories because as you can see here, it's bad. Yep. Okay, category. We have all of this nap thing, pie. Let me see. Container section. We don't need you. We don't need. So what we can do, we can just copy these, right? For for the articles, you know, because remember we want the we want it to work in the same way. Just copy this. Boom. Here we go. This tip belongs to these ones. These ones are like not useful right now. Oops. Okay. Pie. We don't need anything of that. Pie. As you can see, we have like a little banner for our categories and tags. Let's create that banner. Let's put it here. Let's call it the banner is on it was on top of the container. You just call it like that. You just copy this. Sorry, I'm kinda lazy. I don't want to type all of that. Okay, so here, let's call it banner. If you don't have anything, for example, in index, we don't have banner, you don't have to type it, like it's fine. Like it will just, it don't have anything, it'll be empty, right? But on categories, we do. Just copy that, boom. This is our blog for the banner here. Let's just copy all of these. Yes, we forgot the stand. Remember, you need to assign that. If you don't do it, it won't load. Oops, this goes here. Good. Now let's reload. Categories, technology. Boom. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Um, um, as you can tell, like all of these is working properly, and this is very helpful. Like we don't have to like type and copy and paste all of this code. We just need to open a blog content, like start writing our reviews and template. It will save you like all. It will save us like lots of time, right? Let's fix that because we just copied this from index. That's why it's not working. Let's go to our views to see how having articles declared. Articles is the same way. Why is not working? Let's check the URLs. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, I know. I mean, like everything is working fine because the category is the same name. The thing is that we don't have anything. You see, we don't have anything in technology. We have some stuff in space and apps. Yeah, uh, it's kind of dumb, right? Okay, so let's go to apps. We can just put the name of over like here, right? Um, Let me see. Here, um, let's copy that. No, let me see. We have categories, filter category, and everything. You can just call this article. No, or the categories. Um, I think it will throw me an error. I'm pretty sure about that, but let's try. Right? Boom. Here we go. error, nothing, because we're trying to get a category from dope. Um, 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 no, what I'm doing, this system. Um, Let me see. Here we have the article and we have the um, anyway, and let's just, we are going to work on that later. It's fine. Let me see. So we have our category. Let's go to tags. Let's do the same here. Boom. Let's delete. Let's delete all of that. Boom. And then the same. We just need to copy this. Boom. And then banner. Okay, and this stands from base. Beautiful. Now our post detail. Okay. Let's delete all of that. Let's delete all of this. So we don't need that, but we need this one, and it's in the same position as the banner. So let's just call it like that. Or if you want to create a new blog, it's up to you. It should work fine. Okay. Then copy this. Yeah, now we're just basically copying and pasting. Haha, so easy and beautiful. What are these tips come from? Bye. Okay, now in our article, let me see in the views. Here, yeah, it's article. Let's just copy this. Title, right? To content. It's not the content, it's the title here. Then like here, just copy that and like delete all of this. Here we will have our content, and here our date. No, it's publication date. Okay, in the category, oops, category. What else? Oh, the author. Boom. What else? Okay. Oh, the tags. Okay. This is different here because here we need to create a for. Remember, like that. Let's just copy this. This is the chips, and we want to create the for here. For tag in article that tags that all, because we want to retrieve all of the tags that belongs to the article. Yeah, and the for. And so like here now we oops, we just copy this, and that was article. I mean, no, sorry, tag the title. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, sounds great. Oh, actually, let me see. Actually, we want to create a URL for each tag, so just call a yeah. And yeah, inside here, because we want to the title to create a URL. So now we can just oops. And then now we call what we call in our models. Remember, get absolute URL. Let me just copy this. Boom. Because remember, we want to when we click the tag, we want to open all we want to retrieve all the articles that are in that tag, right? Okay, boom. It should work now. Let's click on. Oh, hehe. Yes, we cannot click on anything of this. Let's click. Yep. We need to modify our index. Here, let's call this read more. And this one, let's copy this article that remember the models. Remember, get absolute URL. Boom, boom. It should work now. Let's go. Oof. Read more. Boom. Beautiful. It's loading everything. But oh, something's happening here. We have an error. Why is that? Let's see. Oh, I see. The thing is that here we're not loading the static file for the. They just copy this one. Paste it here. We need to fix that. I want to go home when we click that. Let's just fix that later. Oh, still not loading. This is interesting. Let's inspect that. Background one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, here. We need to put the picture here. Boom. That URL. By. That's why. Boom. Here we go. Our picture is loading. So we have our categories, our date, everything. And when we click on anything of this one, science for example. Ooh, tag is not defined in our view. Tag. Oh, yeah. We forgot to import tag. Cannot resolve that tagging to failed choices are ID but slug. What? Let me see. We are getting errors here. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. ID plus log time. What I'm doing here is this the error? Remember the slug? So dumb. Sorry guys if this is confusing now for you. Yeah, I have an error here. I put like tag. It's slug. Yep. Here we go. So wait, this is bugging me. Like I cannot go home. Let's fix that. Let's go to base, and this is the log I think. Inspect. Yeah, this is the here. What is it? Here. Now we can just uh, do that like in the oops URL and then the name of the, in this case, index. This is the name of the URL that is here. Let me close all of this. That is here. Oops. Index. Let's copy that. So you see where it's coming from. Okay. just reload. Oh. Yeah, this goes this way. Yeah, sometimes it's a little confusing because you don't know when to use these ones or these brackets, like these brackets. So basically, when you use these ones for functions and stuff like that, this one's just for data. When you use data, right? I get confused sometimes. It's fine. Let's go to category one category, and then like our logo is working. Boom, beautiful. Yeah, and let's add a click here in this title. Let's go to index and the category, and then tags. In the let's copy all of these. Yeah, because we cannot do that pattern. We need to create okay, now should work. Oh no. I think we can. Oops. I think we can just. I don't know. And the picture should be fine. I don't know. Um, I don't know. Yeah, here. The thing is, I don't want that stupid like link color. Yeah, here we go. How they just put it when people click on the picture. Just copy that. It should work fine, right? Nope. Sorry, my skills in HTML is not it's not showing here. Like, oh, do you even know HTML? It's fine. Like, we're working with the title and we'll read more. Yeah, I just need to put like a link here, like a, whatever, like that, right? Boom. Or this probably throwing error. Here we go. Boom. Now that we have all of that, let's just copy these. Ooh. Paste it here. Boom. Paste it here. Boom. And here. Sorry, guys. I have a bad memory. boom, space, boom. Okay, everything's working fine. Now this is ridiculous. This like the whole content is like showing here. We don't want that. Let's truncate all of that, right? In Django, you can, if you go to the documentation, you put truncate, you will see what I'm talking about. Yep, truncate characters. Let's copy that. Boom. And how many? 150. Here we go. Oh, let's just put it's not that short. Um, 250 should be fine. Yep. Um. Yep. Yeah. Everything is working fine. There are many built-in like template tags that you can use in your Django project. If you, for example, if you go to post details like the publication date, you can change how you display that date. You can add like, for example, like date. You're basically like formatting your date here. You can just like date, month, and year. Boom. And if you go to your article, you will see how it is now. And you can get a reference, for example, like um, let me see, date. You see? Let me see. Yeah, here you have like this table, so you can see like the like format strings for your date, so you can like just name it whatever you want. You see? Yep. And this is for, let me see, templates. Yep. So, oh, also, I'm forgetting this one. You can use not only for, you can use, oops, you can use like if tags template. You see, like let's go if of like if here, as you can see, like if like conditionals. For example, like we were like having an error because we didn't have like a picture in one of our articles. For example, like yeah, let's let's make this error happen. For example, like this error, I mean like this article doesn't have a picture, as you can see here. If we try to publish that article, boom, we will get this error because the article doesn't have like a picture, and it's trying to load the picture, but the picture doesn't exist. And you can just go. I have a picture here, like a default picture, because you can just go to the internet, like default picture to Google, and like get it from here. I don't know, whatever, but First, let's copy that picture. Let's go to our Django project and let me see. Static picture, default thumbnail, whatever. What we want to do is we want to create a conditional that if an article doesn't have a picture, then it will show me that default picture, right? In order to do that, we can just go here and type if article. Oops. Remember when you're writing like functions, like these function tags and stuff, like conditional, for, if, whatever. If article that picture, so if it has a picture, then show me that. If doesn't have a picture, else, we want an else here, else, then let me just copy this. Then find the default picture. Okay. This is in what is that picture? That picture is in static and default. What's the name? Oh, I forgot. Let me see. Static. Okay, default. To just like that. Boom. Oh, we need to close the the conditional, right? And if boom, it should work, right? Oh. Yeah, here we need to copy this. The thing is that you will say like, oh, but that thing that sorry, that tag is open in base. Why you have to reopen it here? The thing is that these tags they don't load here. You need to like call it again here. It should work now. Boom, here we go. And yeah, as you can see here, we have our default picture loading. Beautiful. We just need to copy all of that. Our new stuff in category. Oops. Category and tags. Boom. And in our post details, we can do the same. Let's open index. Sorry, I'm very lazy. put it here. Else. Let's move that to make it look nice. Boom. Oh. What is happening here? Yes, we forgot to load our post details. We forgot to load that static. Boom. What is happening? What is looking like that? Like, sorry, I did something with the. Oops. Oh, come on, seriously? Wow. Okay, boom. Here we go. Why is this full screen? I don't understand. Anyway, right. It's fine. Yep. So we saw like conditionals, we saw like we organize all of our templates, and as there are like many like built-in templates that you can use in your Django project. I will really recommend like reading the documentation, like take a look at that, and you just need to search here. This is your best friend. And if you have any question, leave in the comment below. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.